nuclear fusion promises nearly limitless energy with minimal fuel input and zero carbon emissions by harnessing the heat produced during this atomic process. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Nuclear fusion is the process that powers the sun, involves fusing two light atomic nuclei into a heavier nucleus, releasing tremendous amount of energy in the process. Unlike nuclear fission, which splits atomic nuclei, fusion does not produce long-lived radioactive waste, making it a highly sought-after clean energy solution. Fusion promises a near unlimited energy source with minimal fuel, that is, isotopes of hydrogen, and no carbon emissions. This makes it a highly attractive option for a clean and sustainable future. China's rapid growth in this field presents both competition and potential collaboration opportunities. Increased investment and research efforts globally could accelerate progress towards achieving fusion power. Beijing's efforts to lead in the nuclear fusion race signifies a pivotal moment in the global energy and technological landscape. This competition, particularly between China and the US, revolves around achieving a breakthrough in nuclear fusion, a process that promises an almost inexhaustible source of clean energy. The race to achieve a breakthrough in nuclear fusion technology is a critical element in the global shift towards sustainable energy. The potential for China to surpass both the US and Europe in fusion capabilities within a few years highlights not only the rapid pace of China's scientific advancements but also the broader geopolitical implications of such a development. Moving forward, the race to develop nuclear fusion is not just a competition for scientific prestige, but a potential turning point in global energy strategy and environmental sustainability. The stakes are high, and the outcome could influence global economic and political hierarchies for generations. Regardless of which country crosses the finish line first, the real victory will be the widespread adoption of fusion technology, offering a stable, sustainable, and clean energy source to the world. Let's look into today's headlines. Instagram to focus on short form content to connect users with friends. Meta owned Instagram will focus on short form content over long videos. According to Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, the social media platform will not be focusing on long form video as it might undermine the platform's core identity to connect people with friends. According to Adam Mosseri, long form videos are less symbiotic, and as a result, Instagram will not be going after that format. The short form content aligns with Instagram's core identity of connecting users with friends. Microsoft hikes Xbox Game Pass subscription prices. Microsoft is announcing a surge in the prices of Xbox Game Pass subscription plans globally, including subscription to Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, Game Pass Core, and PC Game Pass. The updated prices take effect from July 10th for new memberships, while existing members could continue with their recurring charges based on the current price until September 12th. Microsoft is also discontinuing Game Pass for console plan and introducing a new Xbox Game Pass standard plan. Apple likely to be working on an Apple Intelligence powered smart home device. Apple is believed to be working on a smart home accessory with an inbuilt display. Rumors about Apple developing a smart home device other than the HomePod or Apple TV have been around for a while. Reportedly, there is a reference of a device with the identifier Home Accessory 17,1 in the code. This is the first Apple device to have the home accessory tag, which could mean that this could be an entirely new product category. Reliance unveils affordable Apple AirTag alternative, GeoTag Air. Reliance Jio has launched its new smart tracker, the Jio AirTag. It comes with big improvements over its first tracking device that was launched last year and is even compatible with Apple's Find My network. The GeoTag Air aims to be a more cost-effective solution for tracking valuables such as keys, ID cards, and wallets than the Apple AirTag. Besides, it has a sleek and compact design and can be placed anywhere. Try launches Chakshu app for reporting fraudulent calls and SMSs. To curb fraudulent communications, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has launched a new portal called Chakshu, which helps users report fraudulent phone numbers. The platform Chakshu is meant to report a number that might have been used for suspected fraud communications, which might try to mimic a communication related to bank, credit card, digital payments, SIM, gas connection, and more. Once a user reports a suspected activity on Chakshu, TRAI will look into the details and if found culpable, the service for the same number will be revoked with necessary legal actions. On Chakshu, users can report a suspected fraudulent call, SMS, or even WhatsApp message. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.